Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke and in today's video I'm going to do some review and swatches of new stamping plates that Born Pretty Store sent out to me. So yeah, if you're curious to see more about that, please keep on watching, and if you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell, and yeah, let's continue with the swatches. So I'm going to swatch it all in my little booklet. I do this all the time. Of course, I am going to do some separate like design videos with some of these stamping plates as well, and I'm going to swatch it all with one and the same stamping polish, which is also by Born Pretty Store, but I've had it for like a really long time, but it still works really well. But this first plate that I got is by Nicole Diary, and it's just a very nice like floral kind of like leaves, some butterfly designs as well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you this one, and at the bottom of that plate you can actually see the number, but if you are curious about this particular plate or any other plate that I'm showing in this like swatch and review video, I will leave the links to the plates in the comment section down below, like in the pinned comments, as well as in the description box. So if you're curious to get some yourself, you can totally do so. And of course, I do have a 20% discount code. I will leave that in the pinned comment and the description box as well, but if you want to use it, you're free to do so. You can use it multiple times. It is FEM20, and yeah, it just saves you a little bit money on your own purchase. And if you are like me and a big like personal fan of bornprettystore.com, I am sure you will like have the best time ever to just look at their store, just put some items in your cart and just be really excited when they come in, because I've never been disappointed by any of the image plates or stamping plates, however you want to call it, by Born Pretty Store. Of course, they have their own like Born Pretty Store plates, but also by Nicole Diary. This second plate that I'm showing right here is one I love. Like personally, I'm like a cat lady, but I really do love some beautiful like nautical sea or fish themed plates, and this one just has some beautiful carpers, like koi carpers on there, some goldfish and all that jazz. The only thing that I noticed with the second time stamping, like the second image, it didn't transfer as nicely, but I think that was just all on me, my mistake, by waiting a little bit too long in between picking up the image and actually placing it and transferring it on the paper. So I did try it like separately, like after recording this video, once again with the same polish as well as with another polish, and it just transferred perfectly. So you want to work fast if you're going to use some stamping plates and stuff like that. But the next couple of plates that I'll be showing in this video, swatching and all that jazz, are by Born Pretty Store itself, like the brand Born Pretty Store, and this one is from the Spring Garden collection, and this is L013. There are beautiful floral images on here, and you guys know me that if you have been hanging around with me for a longer period of time, that I love my floral designs, and I actually pretty much like the size of these full nail like stamping images. Can you say it like that? I don't know. Like these are quite big. They are big enough to fit on my long natural nails, or at least the length that I had in this video on my left hand. Of course, the nails on my right hand are way shorter because I had to shorten those all. They had some tears, some breakage. And yes, sometimes you just have to start over again, just cut them all down and grow them long, strong and healthy again. So that's what happened with my right hand, if you're curious about that. But just look at these gorgeous images, and this is just simply stamped on white paper, just random paper in one of my booklets. I actually collect notebooks, and I really love the notebooks that don't have any lines or anything like that, just the plain ones you can do some drawings on as well. I really love those, but that's just a little side note. But these are just stamped on random paper with that black stamping polish. It is an older bottle that I have, like I mentioned earlier in this video, but it still works wonders. I think I've had it for like 3, maybe 5 years already. I purchased it myself as well, and it was really inexpensive, and a little bit goes a really long way, because these stamping polishes by Born Pretty Store are so highly pigmented. It is insane. Like, they are one coaters if you would use them as regular polishes as well. But let's get back to the image plates or stamping plates. I tend to use the word image plates because it are plates which contain images that you can use to stamp, but stamping plate is a really good word for them as well. I don't know, I've just been doing nail art and stuff like that for so long that I actually started calling them image plates way back when Conad just came out. Like, who remembers that? I think it was like 97, like 1997 or something like that. And once I saw that like TV commercial, like the really bad ones, you know, like, ooh, buy this and get this free, blah blah blah. I was like hooked on nails and nail art, and I just really wanted to try it. It took ages for me to actually get some Conad image plates myself, or stamping plates, but I was hooked once I got my first plate. I actually can't remember when I got them. I think I was like 14 or something, maybe 15. I really don't know. It's been a while, let's just put it at that. But yeah, I'm just pretty much hooked on stamping. I really want to do more stamped designs on like in tutorial videos as well, because I feel like I don't do them that often, but you guys really seem to like it, and it's really easy nail art. But yeah, I just continued swatching here while I'm just rambling through the video, but I know that a lot of you guys actually really like me talking through my videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your positive feedback, by the way. It's really helpful. And also a big thank you for the 24k subscribers. Now I'm recording this, I just reached my 24k. I think I'm at 24.3k now. And I can't wait to actually reach the 25k subscribers. Maybe I have already when I have uploaded this video, because I'm working like almost 3 weeks ahead on schedule, so that like if work gets a little bit too much, I don't have the pressure of making 3 videos and just have to really ramble them and just be really like not exact with them. Like, I really love taking my time while doing my videos, not only while recording but also while editing and doing the voiceover and everything like that. And yeah, I just work ahead a lot, so maybe I have already reached the 25k when I uploaded this, but if I haven't yet, or maybe if I have, there will be a giveaway coming up soon. I will do a couple of different ones, because I actually asked you guys in one of my polls a little while ago if you would rather have me do one big giveaway or a couple like smaller ones so more people can win, and 90% of you actually wanted me to do a couple of different giveaways. So that's what I will be hosting pretty soon, once I have reached that 25k subscriber count. But yeah, let's continue with the video because I'm rambling way too much. As I mentioned, all of the other plates except for the first 2 smaller ones that I shared are by Born Pretty Store. The first 2 were by Nicole Diary. I do have to mention that I really love the Nicole Diary plates just as much as the Born Pretty Store ones, but the Nicole Diary ones don't have like that extra plastic backing, so be careful with the edges of those plates because they can be really sharp, so just be careful when using them and cleaning them. And of course the ones by Born Pretty Store itself have that white like plastic backing that's pretty easy to clean off as well, and it kind of protects you from cutting yourself on the sharp metal edges. So yeah, always be careful when doing nail art with image plates, especially if it are the metal plates like I'm showing here. But here you can see the plastic backing as well. It's just a simple white backing and it works really well. But yeah, that were actually already all of the plates that I got. I have also done a couple of unboxing videos of some other packages, so if you're curious to see what else Born Pretty Store sent out to me, you can totally check that out as well. But I am pretty much like obsessed with these stamping plates. They look really beautiful. I really love the animal ones or just the line figures and florals, of course. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.